at that one.
Coming up next, all the way from sunny California on the West Coast, Fernando Martinez, El Toro Loco. Toro Loco. The scores are open. Head to judgeszone.com. Fernando Martinez, a little dizzy from those Monster GM donuts. That consistency rivaled the consistency of Brianna Mahan in Scooby-Doo. Take a look at the super glue glued to the action replay. Swings the truck, finds the pocket. So that the pocket is that sweet spot on the dirt to really get the traction needed to get those revolutions going. A very nice donut display by Fernando Martinez. We're going to remind you, score is currently held by Scooby-Doo with an 8.302. And the score for El Toro Loco is...
So silly.
You see her down there on the track. Let's put those fins together for Michaela Telechka, Megalodon. Nice work by Michaela Telechka in Megalodon. Put those fins up. And then head to judgeszone.com. You have 20 seconds. You can see up there on that super glue glued to the action replay. She does swing the truck wide in a similar fashion of Fernando Martinez and El Toro Loco. And much like him, she finds that pocket almost immediately, gets those revolutions going. And I know I've said it before, but I really want you guys to focus on the center of the dirt as they're making those rotations. If you start to see that perfect circle, that is truly indicating that the driver has control of that 12,000-pound Monster GM truck. Take a look at the video board. Scores are in an 8.300 for Michaela Telechka in Megalodon.